My name is Sharon Donaldson. I'm the show director for the National Home Show, and behind me you can see I'm standing in Tulip Alley. This is more than 12,000 tulip bulbs down the main aisle. As soon as you walk in the entrance of the National Home Show, you're greeted with flowers. Also at the show, you're going to see so many fascinating landscaping exhibits. There's pools, decks, pergolas, everything you need to really maximize enjoyment of your backyard this summer.
So we have our beautifully dry Margot Rosé made from all estate-grown red grapes. And then we have our 11th post, which is our flagship Meritage blend with Merlot, Cabernet Franc, and Cabernet Sauvignon. Beautiful wines.
Homies, cider. So we have 4 products sampled today. It's a company out of Caledon, Ontario, using all Ontario-grown apples to create the ciders that you can enjoy. So yeah, we have an original mimosa and an artisanal farmhouse cider, as well as our new product coming out in April. It's a wine, soda, and raspberry cocktail in a can.
The Bonneville feature home is our crown jewel at the National Home Show, and it's really an exciting space. It's not the biggest house you'll ever walk into, and that's by design. We want to give people ideas for small spaces. So whether you're living in a condo, renting an apartment, maybe you're in a semi-detached home in Toronto, or you've got a regular brick house, the ideas is what it's all about, to take away things like feature walls, murals, signature sinks in the bathroom, special touches that really make that house special.
Double-sided straight edge. With it being double-sided, it goes both ways, up and down. Very fast, very easy. And in seconds here, we got some shredded carrots. Good for your bowls, your wraps, your salads, and we're buying it store-bought again where it's overpriced and dried out. Has that nice consistency all the way through there. Just
First, you have to put in your oil. Make sure your pan is hot. For something of fries.
Yes.
Make sure it's not too thin, not too thick, because you're baking it in an oven.
And then just a little bit of pepper. If you wanted, you can also spice it up with some paprika or cayenne.
Definitely.
So the show is divided into distinct areas. We've got our home improvement and renovation section, and this is where you go to speak to anyone that can improve your home, whether it be windows, doors, insulation, new decking, railings, all of those kind of hard surfaces in your home. Then we've got the outdoor section, and this is the landscapers, the patio furniture, anyone that can improve your property on the outside. And then we've got the indoor section, furniture, electronics, mattresses from Sleep Country Canada. It's all happening in the interior section of the show. And within that, we've got a few feature areas. And one I want to tell you about is the Green Building Learning Zone. Everyone's concerned about climate change and how our houses can contribute to that. So the Green Building Learning Zone is a space where you'll learn about net zero homes, passive homes, how to make them energy efficient, how to save money while doing the right thing for the climate. We've also got the Healthy Aging at Home Pavilion. And this is where, let's say you're looking at what retirement will look like for you or for your parents. Can they stay in their home? Will they need to move to a different place? If you can renovate for retirement, you might be able to stay in your home a lot longer than you think.
with a dedicated and experienced team guiding every step.
Our stage lineup at the 2024 National Home Show is the best we've had in years. It kicks off with Tracy Moore and the whole team of CityLine experts on stage on Saturday, March 9th. They're taking Home Day from the TV show CityLine and bringing it right here to the National Home Show. Sunday, March 10th, we've got Mike Holmes. He's everybody's favorite renovator, and he's going to tell you how to do it right. On Wednesday, March 13th is our Green Building Learning Zone. Chris Magwood is an expert in sustainable home building, and he's the headliner that day. On Thursday, March 14th, the Healthy Aging at Home team takes over. Everything from physicians and experts in aging to real estate experts, renovation experts. How can you live at home longer? We've got our Laneway Home and Garden Suites Day happening on Friday, March 15th. If you're thinking about building a Laneway home or garden suite on your property, you don't want to miss this day. Saturday, March the 16th is Linda Reeves and Tommy Smythe headlining House and Home Day. Everything all about great design indoors and out. And finally, on the very last day of the National Home Show, Saturday, March 17th, the one and only Sarah Richardson will be on stage. She's going to talk about sustainable renovation and design for homes in Toronto.
So it's not a very fatty soup. You can do other ways, right? It makes me happy. I could just sit with one of those on my forehead and, oh, my life is good, right? If you tear it, it lets off a little more of the flavor. So that's usually when you want to cook them. You're just going to take the kaffir lime leaf and just give it a little tear. And then all the flavor starts to release. Used a lot in Thai cooking.
It does. So it holds about 4 weeks.
The National Home Show runs until Sunday, March 17th. We'd love to see you come down. Tickets are available online at nationalhomeshow.com. It's a wonderful day out. More than 600 vendors and experts are here ready to help you make your space your way.